This is the saga of me recreating my mom's 1964 white and pink Christmas tree. First, I ordered a pre-flocked tree from Amazon. As expected, the flocking was a mess, and just opening up the tree, the flock got everywhere. The tree was too skimpy, so I packed it up and returned it. And I figured, I could just flock my own tree I already have. So I bought this stuff on Amazon, but it's not the stuff my dad used to use. My dad used to use something that connected to the hose. But honestly, even if I could do that, cramming it through the door would make it all fall apart anyway. So this, you use a spray bottle of water and a sifter. The fact that they want you to do it at the same time is hilarious. Yeah, that's really gonna work. And then you're supposed to spray it again to lock in the snow flocking with their Snow Lock patent technology. Yeah, okay. Like, how does it know to lock it in here but not before? And I did do a test run on some garland, and it wasn't that bad. I'm actually flocking this tree inside the house, which I know may sound crazy, but again, I'm in a mobile home park. I can't exactly shove the tree out the door like the Grinch, lock it outside in our tiny yard, and then cram it back through the house. My neighbors already think I'm crazy with all the projects I do. So we're gonna try this the way it says. It does have a little bit of glitter in there, which is good. I don't know that you really see it, but it might make it look nice. I'm actually going for green with a little bit of white, not just solid white like this. Kind of like a light snow dusting. My mom's was fully white, which is beautiful, and why I bought pink lights on a white strand, but we'll get to that later. My dad actually found the bulbs in a box in the garage. So I have the original Christmas bulbs. This is when they were first dating. It was their first Christmas. I wish I had that tree topper thing, although I haven't unpacked the box, so maybe it's in there. Here is what the garland ended up looking like, and it's really pretty when I turn on the pink lights. Here's another garland I did with more pink lights. Ignore the beautiful crystal dish filled with my tools to do the stairs outside. So first thing that was accomplished that I was proud of was actually assembling the damn tree, because it sat halfway done for weeks. Then I decided to shampoo the carpet so everything would be nice and clean. And then I started with the snow flocking. I just put a sheet wrapped around the tree at the bottom. And it's really not hard, it's just kind of time consuming. So I got a spray bottle of water and sprayed the bits of the tree. Spritzy, spritz, spritz, and more spritz. I was trying to get the branches pretty wet. Then I grabbed the sifter thing and kind of just shook it. Now, the only thing that is stupid about this is the fact that you're trying to do a tree, which is a triangular shape. You can't really get in the branches. Here's a close-up of this disaster. So spritz, dust. It says to spritz again, and I added more dust, and there we go. Sometimes I just threw little clumps of it on there. That actually worked better sometimes. So this is the first round of flocking. It barely made a mess on the floor, so don't worry about doing it in the house. This is the only mess right there. I think I'm gonna wait until that's all dry and then do another coat, just for fun. The bad part is you can't really get under the leaves. At night, this is how it looks like though. Isn't that pretty? I tried to get the underside of the branches how they had on the instructions, but I think you need another person. Tomorrow I get the vintage bulbs out and decorate.